All right, Lisa and I are going to try these Rice Krispie treat Peeps.
Treats, Peeps.
Peeps treats.
Yep.
We saw these at Walmart. I think they were like under $2.
$1 or something.
Yeah, they were under $2. Here's, they definitely smell like Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Here, I can't pull it and hold the phone, so if you wouldn't mind helping. Beep. All right, here we go. It makes me want a Rice Krispie treat. It's okay. It definitely feels like, I mean, has the spirit of a Rice Krispie treat with no flavor.
Yeah.
Well, the flavor
makes
is
me want to
nice,
have the texture of a Rice Krispie.
but it makes me want to have a Rice Krispie treat.
Yeah, they're not bad though. If you like Rice Krispie treats and like Peeps, I mean.
Yeah, and it's a nice little change up if you wanted to throw a different flavor in a Easter basket or something.
Yeah, and then it comes with two
That
little
would be
boxes
a good way to do it.
full of them, so you could share if you wanted.
Yeah, I would recommend these to those out there who like Peeps. I won't buy them again because I'm not a big Peep fan in general, but I will be going out and buying some Rice Krispie treats soon.
She wants some too.
Yeah, I bet she does. She said, "Oh, I want to smell." Yeah, it smells good. But yeah, I'll look and see if I can find these online. If I can, I'll link them below. If you have ever tried these Rice Krispie treats Peeps, what'd you think? Did you like them? Would you get them again? Let us know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.